Hello and welcome to the FX Trader YouTube channel where we roll out videos on how to trade forex and volatility index. Our website is www.binfxtrader.com. We want you to like our videos, subscribe to our channel, share our videos, and also make comments, give us feedback at the bottom of the video. Then we want you to hit the notification button so that when we send out more videos, you'll be the first to see it. Now today we'll be talking about London Breakout Reloaded strategy. London Breakout Reloaded strategy is the part 2 of our first publication on our website on London Breakout strategy. We published the strategy some time ago, but the reloaded part of it is what we are bringing to you today. London Breakout Reloaded strategy. It is a simple strategy. It is about taking 50 pips from trading GBPUSD on a daily basis. You can use it to trade GBP pairs like GBP CAD, GBP JPY, and others. It is used on 1 hour time frame. No indicators involved. Trade entry is placed 10 pips above or below the 7th candle of the day. That means you place your buy stop 10 pips above the 7th candle of the day. You place your sell stop 10 pips below the 7th candle for the day. Now stop loss is placed 10 pips above or below the 7th candle of the day as soon as trade entry pending order is triggered. Let's say your buy stop pending order it gets triggered, then you delete your sell stop and place stop loss to replace your sell stop. And on the other hand, let's say your sell stop pending order gets triggered, you delete your buy stop and replace it with stop loss for your trade. On trigger pending order is deleted, take profit is 50 pips. You can take 50 pips, you can take more, depends on what your desire is. But for this strategy, we target 50 pips on a daily basis. Now let's go to the chart. This is the 1 hour chart for GBPUSD. The first thing you'll do is to load the period separator to mark out the days. You right click on the chart, then click on properties, then go to common and click on show period separators. Now these are period separator marking. Now this shows the end of the week and this shows the beginning of the day, the 5th of June 2020. Now the day started here. We are going to count 7 candles in line with the strategy, and our 7th candle will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is our 7th candle. So we are going to mark out the buy stop and sell stop pending orders. I'm going to bring up horizontal lines for us to use to mark out the pending orders. Okay, now we will consider the high of this candle. The high is 1.25975. So our buy stop pending order will be 1.2, adding 10 pips, it will be 1.26075. Go to the horizontal line, click on horizontal line properties 1.26075 and click OK. So this marks out your buy stop pending order. Your sell stop pending order is when you look at the low is 1.25868. So your sell stop pending order will be 1.25768, 25768, 25768. That's your sell stop pending order. So let's assume that this part of the chart has not formed. So when market opens, you wait for the 7th candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We wait for the 7th candle to form completely. Then you quickly mark out the 10 pips above, 10 pips below, and you wait. So like for this, for Friday, last Friday, 5th of June 2020, the first candle but after the seventh candle, which is the eighth candle, triggered up and triggered our buy stop pending order. So what you do next is to delete this sell stop and replace with stop loss for risk management. Now you can see what happened. Price ticked up. So if you are going to calculate 50 pips take profit, our buy stop got triggered at 1.26075. So 50 pips will be 26575. Horizontal line 26575. So you have your take profit around here and you are done for the day. But you can set trailing stop, or you can place stop loss at break even at your point of trade entry. Now that's that for 5th of June. Let's look at 4th of June. What happened here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So these are seventh candle. Wait for it to form completely. Let's mark it out. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. These are seventh candle. The doji. Now the high is 1.25440. So our buy stop will be 1.25540. These are buy stop. Our sell stop will be the low is 1.25349. So sell stop will be 1.25249. 1.25249. That's our sell stop. So it got triggered here, and you can see what happened. Price reversed and hit our stop loss. So there are days where you have stop loss hit. So that's risk management. There's no perfect strategy anywhere. You make sure you provide for that. But as price triggered here, if you place you move your stop loss and price, you are in profit up to here, you move your stop loss at break even. So you cover for the risk here. So you will not gain and you will not lose around here when you have your break even stop loss triggered. So that's part of protecting your account. Now let's look at the previous day. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. These are our seventh candle. So your buy stop, your sell stop will be around here. Your buy stop will be around here. And you can see what happened. Price got triggered, went up. You move your stop loss here, it triggers it, and then you win or you don't. You don't win and you don't lose for the day. But if you allow it to run, you hit stop loss here to protect your account. The previous day, let's count the seventh candle. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. These are seventh candle. 10 pips below, 10 pips above. You can see what happened here. We got triggered and we have our 50 pips around here, and we are done for the day. Let's look at here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 10 pips below, 10 pips above. Got triggered here, went almost to our stop loss but went back up, and then we have our 50 pips for the day. So that's that for this strategy. Take 50 pips and move on, or you trail your profit, and then make sure you apply stop loss accordingly for GBPUSD and other GBP pairs. Don't forget the seventh candle of the day, 10 pips above and 10 pips below that particular candle. You have to make sure that the candle forms completely. The candle must form completely before you place your pending orders, and as soon as one of the orders get triggered, you delete the other one and replace with stop loss. Stop loss is part of trading. Is your risk management step or procedure, and it is vital to protect your account. So that's that for this strategy. You can read more on the strategy on our website www.binfxtrader.com. We want you to like our video, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button at the bottom so that you see more videos. Also make comments and give us feedback. Thank you.